In Shanghai, you can live in the center of the city, right next to its most iconic view. Today, I want to document what it's like to live 300 meters through the Bund. I'm starting from Jing'an Temple. It's one of the most central areas in Shanghai. I'm heading to the North Bund. Let's see how long it will take. This is the time right now. Now let's jump to the metro. Okay, this is North Bund. It's still the city center, but feels very different. Right now we are at the Tiantong Road station. This is the closest metro station to the apartment. This is North Bund. It's still very center, but feels different. Not necessarily less busy, just more open. This river is called the Suzhou Creek, and this riverbank is very walkable. We can see the Oriental Tower from here. I believe this building is the Post Museum. Yes, this building is the China Post Museum. This is probably the biggest part of living here. You don't really plan to come here, it just becomes part of your routine. Yeah, I've seen the logo. By the way, this apartment provides the parking option. It's not very usual in the city center. Let's get in. Oh, those are bamboos. Now we get in. This is the hall. We have some sofa. Honestly, this place seems like a hotel to me. Alright, we got 2 rooms to visit today. And by the way, we have a free Wi-Fi. Now let's take the elevator. It's quite like the hotel. We need a card to use the elevator. Okay, 3rd floor. Here we are. And we need to find the 305. 305. Okay, let's see. This one is a studio. Okay. The bathroom. By the way, somebody just lived this apartment. I will not go very deep to see those details. Let's see. Okay, we have the bed and the wardrobe, the washing machine and the drying machine, the living room. The price for this one is 9,000 per month. And if you have a pet, you need to pay 1,000 more per month. Okay, now let's check the another one. Alright, 606. Let's see. This one is much clean. Let's take a look. But the size is much small. The price is quite the same. We have the bed, and we consider it as a living room. Okay. Now the bathroom. However, we only have the washing machine, but I believe this one has a dry function. It seems the curtain has some problem, so let's leave it. The view is quite good, and the neighborhood is quite clean. Okay. For most people, 9,000 for a room like this is quite unacceptable. You have to know this price is completely paid for the location. You can easily rent a 3-bedroom apartment in the suburb for 9,000 RMB. Now let's see what is around it. We could see the apartment right now, and here is a mall. Let's find some food. Let's buy some water. Just normal water.
确认结算后显示最终。
A bottle of water costs 2 yuan. Let's see what can we find. I think we need to go downstairs. There are restaurants around, but it's not as dense as some other areas. You have options, just not an overwhelming number of them. Alright, now let's walk to the North Bund. Right ahead of me is the Suzhou Creek. And the North Bund is right there, close enough to walk, but you are not really live inside it. If you come to visit Shanghai, I suggest you not just go to the Bund. The Bund is right there. There are too many people. Instead, you can go to the North Bund. The people are far less compared with the Bund, but the view is quite the same. So what is like to live like 300 meters from the Bund? It's not about whether it's better or worse. It's just about living in a different way in the same city. Most people visit the Bund, but only few people building their daily life around it. Alright, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to tell me in the comments. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.